Just can you see how the shooting is going on? So ये एक टेरेस है जहाँ पे हम लोग ने ये पूरा पेंट करके ये पूरा सेटअप लगाया है शूट करने।
This is RDG
आगे आइए।
Connect.
वेलकम टू RDG कनेक्ट। ये वही लोकेशन है जहाँ पे हम लोग ने कुछ दिनों पहले रेकी करी थी और जहाँ पे हम सोनिया गोहिल डिजाइन्स का शूटिंग करने वाले हैं। सो एज यू नो शी इज माई सिस्टर एंड शी इज अ डिजाइनर एंड टुडे वी आर शूटिंग फॉर हर एट दिस लोकेशन जहाँ पे हम लोग ने यहाँ पे सेट लगाया है।
Hi.
These are the costumes and yeah, by the way, she is very busy
Now we are
right
in a
now.
rush. Now we don't have
Because,
time because we need the golden hour. We need
She's
the
always
perfect
in a hurry.
life. So always in a hurry.
She
At
is
work,
like that and yeah, so almost we're done with the shoot and she always work very hard and I really see her costumes to be in a very good look and all. ये पूरे costumes हैं. By the way, just tell me one thing. Are you happy with your shooting today?
I am
By the way.
super happy. Super happy.
So I want to tell you one thing that we've been trying to shoot this shoot since long. हम लोग बहुत लोकेशंस ट्राई कर रहे थे। हम लोग सोचे इंडोर करें, आउटडोर करें, अलीबाग में करें, गोवा में करें, भोपाल में करें, बट कहीं पे वर्कआउट नहीं हुआ। फाइनली हम लोग ने अपनी ही बिल्डिंग के टेरेस पे इसको शूट किया है एंड इट लुक्स अमेजिंग टू मी। What about your opinion?
I totally agree. I wouldn't have got a better location than this because we've been trying to shoot from last 6 months, I guess, and we tried every location, and I was just not happy. Then I said, okay, let me see. I came here and I was like, wow, everything looks interesting here. This wall texture, the staircase, which is so rustic. And then we painted the white full wall. That looks so interesting. So I think I got a perfect location by the end of it, and I'm so satisfied. Really.
I want to tell you one thing that to satisfy Sonia Gohil is not easy. She's always been very perfectionist. So, but finally, I'm so happy that she is happy with the shoot. और ये shoot जो है, I just want to tell you guys, she is my sister. She's a designer. और ये जो भी शूट हो रहा है उसी के कलेक्शन का हो रहा है एंड या आई थिंक शी इज अ वंडरफुल डिजाइनर।
I've been going out of my way for us and I'm not okay. The sun ain't gonna shine all day.
Actually, I met her last night only. I was meeting one of my friends and she was sitting with her and we didn't know that we are shooting together today. So it was pleasure meeting you yesterday only, by the way. Technically. I think she's, how you guys like her in this costume? Do let me know. And we will be shooting whole day today. आज पूरा दिन हम लोग shooting करने वाले हैं and Priyanka will be there with us whole day and I hope we'll work with her again and again in so many other areas. So nice to talk to you, Priyanka, and look at this the ornaments and jewelries and all. And she's a photographer. He's doing today photography for this thing. What's your name, brother?
My name is Dheeraj.
Dheeraj. He's a Dheeraj and he is doing photography for fashion shoot. And if you come and see the set here, so ये एक टेरेस है जहाँ पे हम लोग ने ये पूरा पेंट करके ये पूरा सेटअप लगाया है शूट करने के लिए. So if you see the setup, everything is all set for the shoot. Just can you see how the shooting is going on? All the creative work is going on, like so much of white feel and आप देख सकते हैं कि it's so breezy, but बहुत ही अच्छा look shoot हो रहा है and it looks very nice. Just come ahead, आगे आइए. Let's meet the DOP जो वीडियोग्राफी कर रहा है वो यहीं पे है. So,
Hi,
Mr.
sir.
Aditya, how are you?
I'm good,
How are
sir.
you doing? It's looking so busy.
Sir, we have a very less time and we need to rush.
And the light is going and you are in a rush to shoot
Yes, exactly.
more dresses. अभी तक जो शूट किया वो कैसा हुआ?
It was amazing. Like the results were
Good. क्योंकि
Yeah,
as you know कि हम लोग काफ़ी दिनों से स्ट्रगल कर रहे थे लोकेशन को लेके, शूटिंग को लेके पर्टिकुलर कि ये स्टूडियो में करे, आउटडोर करे, इंडोर करे, क्या करे, क्या नहीं करे. तो फाइनली हम लोगों ने जहाँ पे किया,
amazing
are you
results, sir.
satisfied with the whatever the locations we are shooting right now?
Like right now, whatever the results we have, I'm more than satisfied. Like the results are amazing. I like it, and ma'am also like it. And I hope whenever the
Result will come.
yeah, you will also like it.
I hope you all like it, and मुझे लगता है कि और अभी हमारे पास थोड़ा सा कम टाइम है, बहुत जल्दी हम और
We have to rush.
शूट करना है. So all the very best.
Thank you so much, sir.
See some more shootings like this again and again.
Done. We'll do for sure. Thank you so much, sir.
Just have a look. This is a photography is going on with the model. This videography is going on with the model. So just come here. Just
ये लगाना है? हाँ,
this is the
ये सब
videography is going
दिखाना
on
है.
here.
हाँ, ये से
Aditya
करके.
is doing
That's okay. If you're
videography
conscious and
for it.
let's not do it. ऐसे ही करना, ऐसे ही कर ले यार. हाँ.
Hello.
Hey.
Hi.
Hey.
So how things are going?
Excellent. I am loving this outfit and this is my favorite so far.
Tell me about the costumes. How you designed this costume?
Okay, so this is a hand woven handloom fabric which we have customized especially. Also this signature belt of ours which you
That
will
we
get
all
to
know.
see in a lot of our
About your signature
costumes,
belt, yes.
and also the detailing on the sleeves if you can see. Just love the drama of this part and I love the neckline and it's my favorite so far.
This is one of my favorite dress also, and Priyanka is looking too good in this.
Yeah, the credit goes to her definitely because she is
the-
looking gorgeous in this outfit.
The way you are
she's
carrying
pulling
this
it.
dress, Priyanka,
Yeah,
you are
yeah,
looking
lovely.
stunning. मतलब तुमने इस ड्रेस को क्या बोलते हैं? क्या दे दी? Enhance कर दिया. It's like that.
You've given a life.
The life, yes, exactly the word. And so far हम लोग ने कितने ड्रेस अभी तक कर लिए, पर जितने भी किए हैं, I think this is one
And it's
of
looking
the
very classic.
best.
I like the style of it.
And the
It's
best
very
part, the
Indo-West.
way we are shooting this in this kind of like a set.
Also
we are.
love the
Yeah.
backdrop, love the drama of the lights that's coming. This is what I exactly wanted. So I love the.
I think we were
whole drama.
discussing a lot about this kind of a drama, but we were not getting it properly, the clear
It
idea.
doesn't come like that. It comes naturally. So we never thought that we will get this, and yeah, we were planning something else. But on the set,
On the set,
you have to
yeah.
go with the flow.
So काफ़ी चीज़ें ऐसी होती है जो प्लान नहीं होती है. जब आप शूटिंग करते हो तभी जाके कुछ स्पॉन्टेनियस होता है, और जब भी जो
Correct.
भी स्पॉन्टेनियस होता है, आई थिंक वही सबसे बेस्ट होता है. So this is
Agree.
one of the best collection or dress, and she is looking stunning. And Priyanka, what do you say about it? आपको क्या लग रहा है ये ड्रेस पहन के? How you feel about it? You like it? Chalo, she like it, we like it, and I think we are getting late for the another.
Okay, run
this thing.
fast. We're
Thank you so
running late.
much. Hi Rashmi, how are you?
Hello, very well. How are you?
Welcome on set. Just tell me about her costumes. How is she as a designer?
I think she is a rare talent. She is something who is so passionate about her work, and every single piece that she makes, you can see that passion in it, you know. And the tailoring, the designing, the
Detailing.
feel of the outfit, everything is like top tier.
So this is the last costume we are shooting for. After working whole day very hard, I think बहुत अच्छा शूट हुआ है. कभी कभी आप रेंडमली जब शूट करते हो तो बहुत अच्छा होता है, कभी कभी बहुत प्लानिंग के साथ में शूट करते हो तो अच्छा नहीं होता है. So I really hope you like this vlog, and you people stay continue to watching this RDG Connect. Stay tuned.
Funky bass. This is RDG Connect.